We're going to be installing the reduction liners on an S210E. The pieces we're going to have is our reduction liner. The one we're going to be installing is a 4-inch reduction liner. The tools we're going to need is a 6mm Allen wrench. So at first we'll start with taking the back brushes off the S210. Alright, next the reduction liner will slip up into the blaster housing, like so, and we'll slide it up into place. And then this back bracket goes back behind the machine, and then our back brush and the bolt we just removed is going to be what's holding it back into place. We'll line our brushes back up with the other brushes, and we'll tighten it down with the Allen wrench. Just like that. So now with this installed, we've reduced our blast path from 8 inches down to 4.